Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best noise cancellation tool by comparing Krisp AI and RTX Voice in 2025. If you're looking for the best noise cancellation tool in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Krisp is an AI-powered noise-canceling application designed to eliminate background noise in real time. NVIDIA RTX Voice is an AI-powered noise-canceling plugin that works with NVIDIA's RTX graphics cards. NVIDIA launched NVIDIA RTX Voice to support its hardware sales. Krisp and NVIDIA RTX Voice are standalone noise cancellation applications compatible with a wide range of conferencing, streaming, and recording applications. They create virtual microphone and speaker interfaces within user systems. Users then configure them when a conferencing, streaming, or recording application permits audio settings adjustments and virtual device selection. Despite being similar applications, they differ from each other. NVIDIA RTX Voice only works on machines with NVIDIA GeForce RTX or Quadro RTX graphics cards and on Windows 10. Krisp is entirely software-based, operating across multiple platforms. NVIDIA RTX Voice is a free plugin that requires NVIDIA RTX graphics cards unavailable for entry-level PCs or embedded devices. Krisp can run solely on a CPU, but NVIDIA RTX Voice requires a GPU, hence more resources. The target audience of applications like Krisp and NVIDIA RTX Voice are technology-literate end users. Product owners can only recommend these types of noise-canceling tools and plugins to their users without being able to control the overall experience. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.